Hi everybody, it's 1:45 and 16 seconds on Friday, July 13th. This is mini number 2 for the two Amazing Spider-Man 102 slabs. Over here on the left-hand side are the 12 filled spots. Now again, in this one, whoever comes in first place is going to win the first 4 available open spots. Those spots are 14, 15, 16, and 20. Whoever comes in second place will win the next 2 available open spots, and those spots are 21 and 22. Let's roll our 3 dice. Number is only 5. And away we go. Best of luck. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the final one. 5. Raul Hernandez wins the first 4 open spots, and Frank Digi wins the next 2 open spots. Time is 1:46 and 15 seconds.